Hey everyone, and welcome to Omni Channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of 5-axis CNC machining and witnessing its power firsthand as we carve a stunning 3D lion. So, buckle up and get ready to see how this powerful technology transforms a block of material into an awe-inspiring lion sculpture. Here's the magic happening. Watch in amazement as the CNC router meticulously carves away at the material, bringing our lion design to life. The precision and fluidity of the 5-axis movements are truly remarkable. After several hours manufacturing, soon the rough carving is complete. We may need to perform some minor sanding or finishing touches to achieve a polished look, but the essence of our lion is already captured. 5-axis CNC routers are the ultimate game changers for creators and machinists. With the ability to move along 5 independent axes, they can tackle intricate details and complex angles that would be impossible with traditional 3-axis machines. We hope this video has given you a glimpse into the incredible capabilities of 5-axis CNC routers. With this powerful technology, the possibilities for creating intricate and detailed designs are truly boundless. If you're interested in learning more about 5-axis CNC machining or have any questions about this project, leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help.